Yeah, this one here cooking show bring by Reggae Kitchen. 5 different jerk flavors for your meat marinate. Well, mommy requests meatball and spaghetti today, so here I blend up garlic and onion and ginger, scallion and thyme and pepper. Just do a little blend up here, so and here under here you can see say I have the ground meat, but this is chicken, turkey, and a little beef, because them want a blend. So it's chicken, turkey, and a little beef. When you ball them down, fry them up, you have to cook them down for a while and make sure so them cook and everything nice, right? So stay tuned and we're going to nice up this thing. Reggae Kitchen jerk sauces, Reggae Kitchen show, we in passion. Yeah. So now you can see some me do the whole heap of mix up here, so. And over here so you see me do some bars, me round up the meat and everything there. So me use some breadcrumbs and some eggs and bind it together. And see them here now over here so I bubble down, you know. I show me reggae music there. Well, don't forget to go on the website for your online order for the jerk sauces. www.reggaekitchen.store. Big up all my Facebook families and friends, the whole 5,000. I want to big up on yourself. I even say all them people that are coming out to the festival to support Reggae Kitchen. Thank you very much, and I come from near and far. Big up on yourself. Reggae Kitchen. Mommy spaghetti and spaghetti meatballs today in the kitchen at Reggae Kitchen. Wallet! Yeah, so now you see me turn them over. Look how pretty them I get. Yeah man, you want to go and brown both sides and turn them over and make them get brown, because here we say I go turn on the oven, yeah, so 360, let's bake. And turn on the oven at 360, make it warm up, because we're going to finish off these babies in the oven and transfer them in the tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, homemade sauce for them nice up, right? Yeah, mommy spaghetti Reggae Kitchen style. Big up all the stores that bring in the sauce. Big up all of my friends them, don't know, Reggae Kitchen. Yeah, so you can see how them look nice. So me love brown up my meatball first, put it in the oven, make the oven done it off a little bit, then throw it in the pot of the sauce. Yeah, me know I said that fast, you couldn't get it a while ago. Well, let me slow it down. I love brown in my balls first right here. Then put in the oven and then throw it in the pot for sauce it down, right? Hold on. So you can see say the meatball them here ready. Here we go. And they're ready. I'm just gonna put them in the oven quickly. So right now you can see I get little things done here, so over this pot some zucchini and some carrots with some eggplants.
Looks so yummy.
And some garlic and some ginger and
smells
something.
Good too.
Getting the base for the spaghetti, because you know them spaghetti sauce them love little chunks of vegetables in after them things, you know. So I'm going to saute this down a little bit before dropping the sauce. So hold tight. Reggae Kitchen in the house. Big up all of my Facebook friends them again. And all of my family. And all of my brethren them. Everybody out there will have your support and love. Thank you very much. Only if you can smell where I go on here, so smell how it smells sweet and nice, and see where I go on, but see the colors them then on the pot. I go and bubble down. So you can see where I go on here, so in my spaghetti sauce. So after I made the vegetables that give me a little body, I put the tomato sauce in here and a little butter, a little milk. So if you want to put cow milk in it, you can put cow milk, but I put almond milk in it for nice it up still, right? So yeah, so give this a chance to go and bubble and boil up. Stay tuned. More Reggae Kitchen. Mommy Spaghetti Evelyn. Reggae Kitchen. Yeah, so now you can just see that meatball in the oven kind of ready, so I go put them in the pot. Make the pot go on bubble down. Nice down. Whoop. Sweet down. Alright. So remember, don't forget to put your jerk sauce in the mix, because you need the Reggae Kitchen jerk sauce in the mix to flavor these meatballs. So we're just going to turn them here a bit so they can go into the sauce. Alright, sauce down. Wow, this looks so good. That tastes good. Jerk meatballs, the spaghetti sauce, pasta. Just what mommy ordered, and I tell you, say it's gonna be nice. Let's make this one sauce up. So now, you see me do another changes, whereas I put now this bigger broader pot here and have it a sizzle down and bubble down in the spaghetti. Hold on, now I have something for you. So now, I want a little bit of this thing here. Alright, Reggae Kitchen, Mommy Pasta Evelyn, meatball, jerk meatballs with pasta. Yeah, watch it.